Racing just is started. We have Acid coming. First to show quickness at the start. Moving upon the outside. Tagaytay Euro. Madam Leonora in the middle. Jet Frap Coquette comes next. Firepack Showman Babon Lancer, while Malihib is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Madam Leonora takes command by about half length. Tagaytay Euro in second has it coming, is racing in third. Alongside fourth comes Coquette, Jet Frap. Then next on line is Firefax, Showman Malihim racing second less, while Bobon Lancer now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Madam Leonora by about 2 lengths. Tagaytay Euro in second. Moving upon the outside, Coquette has it coming. Showman, Firefax, Jet Frap, then followed by Malihim, while Bobon Lancer is still racing in less. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have Madam Leonora by her length and a half. Moving upon the outside, Coquette as they swing for whom. We have Madam Leonora followed by Coquette in second. Last 100 meters, we have Madam Leonora followed by Coquette in second. Then on the outside, Showman, Tagaytay Euro, and finally it's Madam Leonora, Coquette, Showman, Tagaytay Euro, Malihim.
87, 194.